Hi, hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to discuss about arrays. Arrays in C language. అయితే in yesterday's video, someone has asked me to explain C language. So we are continuing with the topic called arrays. Here the array is nothing but arrays are nothing but it is a collection of homogeneous data elements which will store the similar kind of data elements. అంటే మీరు డేటా టైప్ ఇంటీజర్ కనుక ఇస్తే ఇంటీజర్ నంబర్స్ని మాత్రమే స్టోర్ చేయాలి, ఫ్లోట్ ఇస్తే ఫ్లోట్ని మాత్రమే స్టోర్ చేయాలి, డెసిమల్ ఇస్తే డెసిమల్ని మాత్రమే స్టోర్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, so I hope so you people might have got the pointer. Similar kind of data means if you want to store integer values, only integer values should be stored, and if you want to store float values, you can store float values. Even your string can also be called as character array, because in that particular string we are storing only characters, and that will be stored in the contiguous memory location. Means is that in a similar location, one after the other we will be storing the elements. This is what the definition. Okay, and see, కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్నప్పుడు మీరు నంబర్స్ని కానీ లేదా ఫ్లోట్ వాల్యూస్ని కానీ ఒక లొకేషన్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఒక దాని తర్వాత ఒక దాన్ని స్టోర్ చేస్తారు అని చెప్పడానికి ఈ సెకండ్ పాయింట్ పెట్టాం. ఇట్ స్టోర్స్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఇన్ కాంటిజియస్ మెమరీ లొకేషన్ అని చెప్పేసి. ఓకే, అండ్ నౌ how do we declare them in the C language? Declaration, you see, you people will be having the syntax over here. The syntax is very simple. You people will be specifying the data type that you want to store, and you people will be giving the array name. Array name is what? A variable name, I can say. But here in the square bracket, you people will be giving the size. What is the size, sir? Size means how many elements you want to store them in the array. You people can store them along with your size. Means to say that if you are saying 10 elements will be stored into the array. Like that, if I am specifying 100 elements will be stored, 1000 elements will be stored. According to your size, this size should be replaced. So see here in the example, I have written int. This is data type and array name is A and the size is 10. So it will be allocating a memory which is of 20 bytes, because in every location we are storing the integer values. Say suppose if I am storing 1 over here, then index number will become 0 here. It will be taking 2 bytes, right? Every integer will be taking 2 bytes. Like that, if I am storing 10 elements, it will be needing 20 bytes of memory. So 20 bytes of memory at a single place it will identify, and it will be trying to store the elements. This is what the meaning is. And now we will look at the initialization. How do we initialize the array? That we are going to see here. Initialization is nothing but assigning some values into the array. See this, data type, array name, size. This is a declaration that we have seen, and you people will be putting assignment equal to symbol and then braces. Within the braces, you people will mention the points like 1, 2, 3 elements, value 1 comma value 2 comma value 3, so on, and you people will end up with semicolon. See the example. In the previous one we have seen integer data type we are storing, array name is A and the size is 10, and I am assigning the values by the means of brace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Instead of 10 I have given 0. So these are 10 elements that I have stored in my array. Okay, I have initialized. In the A it will be storing, and how it will be storing? In the contiguous memory locations, as I said earlier. So 1 will be stored here, 2 will be stored here, 3 will be stored here, 4, 5, 6 in the same memory location it will be storing. One after the other it will be storing. Okay, contiguous memory location means this beta. If we are storing one here, second one and third one and fourth one in the contiguous memory location it will be stored. I hope it is clear. And if they have asked you to explain about array, you can explain the same thing. If they are even asking explain one dimensional array, then also you people can explain the same thing. One dimensional array is the concept of storing elements in a single dimension, or as I can say in a single way. You people say example in the row manner, if we people are trying to store the values, then it is nothing but a one dimensional array. We can't have rows and columns over here. In a single row, we people will be storing all the elements. That is what the explanation is. And you people can store all the elements in the sequential memory locations. As I said, every element is taking 2 bytes. Think that the base address is 5000. First element is stored at 5000. Next element address will become what? 5002. In the same way, third one 5004, 5006, 5008. Like that, your elements will be stored into the array. And you people can access these particular elements with the help of index. What is this index, sir? It will be identifying the element in the array by using this index number. How we people are using the index number in our notes, in our textbook, in the same way we people will use this index in order to access the element of your array. For example, a of 2, if I am saying this, then it will be identifying the element from your a of 2. This is a. From a of 2 we will be getting the value as 3. A of 4 means this will be received. Like this, you people can store any kind of value and you people can directly access it from the array. Simple, ma? You people can directly access the element. You people can directly store the element also. That I have written here. Just observe in this. See, the last element will be of n minus 1 size. Means to say that n is your size of the element. Your index will start with 0 and it will end with n minus 1. N is what size? N minus 1 means 4. With the 4 it has ended. And see, look at this. We can directly access the values. We can directly assign the values. See here, in this example, I have given a of 2 is equal to 25. If say suppose this is a and think that these are indexes 0, 1, 2. This is a, no? A of 2 means this is the position. Here it will be printing 25. Here it will be storing 25. That is what the meaning is. And you people can directly print the values also. Say suppose in the program if I am writing printf percentile d, after the percentile d if I am mentioning a of 2. We are not accessing all the elements from your array, but you can access only single element also. A of 2 you people are asking, no, this 25 will be written to you people. So I hope array concept is clear. Now let's get into the program where you people can understand the array concept. See, my intention is very clear. I'll take a array and I'll store values into it and I want to display it on the screen and I want to do the sum of these particular elements. Think that this is my array. I want to add these elements 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and I want to display this sum to you people. Okay, this is my intention. So for that, what I am doing is I am taking a header file called stdio.h and then I am going with the main function. In the main function I have declared array called a. In the array I have stored the elements like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have told you about the initialization now. Now I have taken one variable called I in order to repeat. Say example, if I am storing number of elements, I will store the first one and then second one and then third one, fourth one. Storing is common, but it is repeated. In order to repeat something, I will be using a I variable. And in order to find the sum, initially if I am not doing any sum will be 0. So I have declared one more variable called sum equal to 0. Now look at the next point. For loop, and elements in the array are. I want to display the elements which are there in your array. So I am going for loop. I equal to 0. I am initializing this and I less than 5 and I plus plus. When it is 0, 0 less than 5, yes, it is true. Enter into the for loop. Percentile d, I want to print a of 0. A of 0 is having 1. Who said, sir? Here we have initialized, sir. So this is your array. Okay. And it is storing 1 here. It is storing 2 here. It is storing 3 here. It is storing 4. It is storing 5. And the index number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And you are asking me to print a of 0, no? A of 0 is having 1. And again I value will be incremented. This will become 1, 1 less than 5. Yes, it is true. Come here. A of 1 is 2. That will be printed. Again I value will be incremented. That will become 2. 2 less than 5. Yes, it is true. Again it will be printing 3, 4, 5. After that your I will become 5. 5 less than 5? No. Then it will come out from it. And now it has displayed 1 2 3 4 5. Now I want to perform sum operation. Same repetition I'll do. I'll add it to the sum. Sum is initially it is 0 and I want to add a of 0. A of 0 is what? 1. 0 plus 1? 1 only. That 1 will be stored into sum again. Now again I value will be incremented. I will become 1. So 1 less than 5 no. Then again I'll enter into here. Sum is carrying 1 already. Then 1 plus a of I. I is what? 2. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. 3 will be stored into the sum. Just do remember up to this. Sum is carrying 3 right now. Okay. I will be incremented. I will be what? 2. Till now it is 1. It is 2. 2 less than 5. Yes, it is true. Again I will enter here. Sum is equal to sum. Sum is what? 3. Plus a of 2 is having what? 3. 3 plus 3? 6. 6 will be stored into sum again. So it is updated to 6. Just I will remove this. Sum is 6 now. Now again it will be incremented. This will become 3. 3 less than 5. Yes, it is true. In a of 3 what we are having? In a of 3 we are having 4. Sum is 6 and it will be added with 4. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 will be there in your sum again. Now it will be incremented. It will become 4. 4 less than 5. Yes, it is true. Now again get into the loop. In a 4 position we are having 5. So 10 plus 5, that is equal to 15. 15 will be stored into your sum. Now 15. Now again we will be incrementing the I. I will become 5. 5 less than 5? No. Then your sum is carrying what? 15. Now in the next line I am coming back. In the next line I am printing sum. The sum of the elements in array or percentile is sum. So that it will be printing the sum of the array. This is one of the online compiler that I have selected. Just I have copied and pasted whatever I have explained you in the program and I have executed in the online compiler. Just see the program here and see the output. In the output you might have seen this elements in the array are 1 2 3 and I will make a side. You can see 1 2 3 4 5. So elements are visible. Then after we went for the addition of numbers. The sum of the elements is 15. This is what our program beta. I hope you people might have understood. Just check it once. If you didn't understood this, how we people will execute them in the online, just comment us so that I'll take one more video how you people can use the online compilers. So this is the explanation that you need to give it in the examination. Okay. I hope it is clear to you people. If you like this video, just like, share and subscribe the channel. If you are new to the channel, just subscribe the channel so that it will be beneficial us and it is encouraging for us. Thank you. Thank you for watching.